Hello everyone. Today we are going to do experiment laws of reflection. Now there are two laws of reflection. The first one is the angle of incidence I is equal to the angle of reflection R. Second, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. So we are going to verify these laws today. So to perform this experiment, we need a plane mirror. For that we need support, that is the clips we have taken. We are having a thermocol sheet or maybe a drawing board, pins, a sheet of paper, meter rule, protector, pins, etc. Now let's start the experiment. Fix the sheet on the drawing board with the help of pins. Draw a line MM dash with the help of the scale. Give the name to the line. Let it be your MM dash. Draw a normal ON to the line MM dash from the point say O. Join the points. So here ON is a normal. Draw a line OA such that AON equal to 40 degree. So place the protector. Mark the angle from the normal. Say angle is 40 degree. Join the points. Give name OA. Make the arrow. So here OA is an incident ray. It makes an angle I that is equal to 40 degrees. This is the angle of incidence. Now place the plane mirror vertically on the sheet such that its reflecting surface is in the line with MM dash. We have to place the mirror like this with the help of the clips in such a way that this particular mirror is perpendicular to the sheet. Now we are going to see the image of P and Q in the mirror. But before that, what we do is we simply fix two pins on the incident ray. So here we have given the name P and Q. These are the points where we have to fix the pins. Now we are going to see the image of P and Q in the mirror. Now see the image of P and Q in the mirror. Now you can see in the mirror the image of pin P and Q in the mirror. It is very clear. We can see the image of the pins. Now what we do is we are going to fix two more pins such a way that the image of P and Q appear to be in the same line with the two more pins which we are going to fix. Now here you can see that two pins I can see in the image in the mirror and other two pins I have placed on the sheet in such a way that these all four coming in the straight line. Now remove the pins and label it as R and S. Remove the mirror and the pins R, S. Mark the positions R and S and join them by a line which will meet at O. Then draw the arrowheads on the lines to show the direction of incident ray and reflected ray. Now we have removed the pins R and S. We have labeled it, and now what I do, I simply join the point O, R and S. Now place the mirror back. We have joined the line R, S. Now place the mirror. Here you can see the reflection of the rays. Both the points R and S, they are coming in the straight line with the point or the pins P and Q. Now when we measure the angle, now again remove the mirror, measure the angle with the help of protractor. As we know that angle I is 40 degree, when we place the protractor, again you can check that the angle is again 40 degree. Means here the angle is also 40 degree. So here we proved the first law, that the angle of incidence is equal to 40 and the angle of reflection is also equal to 40 degree. Here you can see. Clear? And the second law is also proved, that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. So here we have verified laws of reflection. Here, as I told you, that angle of incidence is the angle between the normal and the incident ray. AO is the incident ray and reflected ray. The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. Thank you, class.